Software engineering is a constantly evolving field that has become an integral part of our lives. From the apps we use on our phones to the software that powers our cars, software engineering has transformed the way we live and work. But with this growth comes new challenges and opportunities. In this video, we'll explore some of the key challenges and opportunities facing software engineers today. We'll look at how software engineering has evolved over the years, the challenges faced by software engineers, and the opportunities that lie ahead. So, let's dive in and explore the world of software engineering. Software engineering has come a long way since its inception in the 1960s. Back then, software was developed in a much simpler environment, with fewer tools and resources available. In the early days, software was written on punch cards, which were then fed into a computer. This process was slow and error-prone, and it took a long time to develop even the simplest programs. As computers became more powerful, software engineering began to evolve. The introduction of mainframe computers in the 1970s allowed for the development of more complex software, and the emergence of programming languages like COBOL and Fortran made it easier to write code. The 1980s saw the introduction of graphical user interfaces, which made software more user-friendly and accessible. This was a major turning point in the evolution of software engineering, as it allowed for the development of software that could be used by people without a technical background. Today, software engineering is more important than ever, with the rise of mobile devices and the internet. Software engineers are constantly developing new applications and technologies that are changing the way we live and work. But with this growth comes new challenges. In the next segment, we'll explore some of the key challenges facing software engineers today. Software engineering is a complex and challenging field, and software engineers face a number of challenges in their work. One of the biggest challenges is keeping up with the pace of technological change. New technologies and programming languages are constantly emerging, and software engineers need to stay up to date with these changes in order to remain competitive. Another challenge is ensuring the quality of software. With so many different devices and platforms to develop for, it can be difficult to ensure that software works properly on all of them. Testing is a critical part of software engineering, but it can be time-consuming and expensive. Software engineers need to find ways to test their code efficiently and effectively. Security is also a major challenge in software engineering. With so much sensitive information being stored and transmitted through software, it's important to ensure that software is secure and protected from hackers and other threats. Finally, software engineering is a collaborative field, and software engineers need to be able to work effectively with others. This can be challenging, especially when working with teams that are distributed across different locations and time zones. Despite these challenges, software engineering remains a rewarding and exciting field. In the next segment, we'll explore some of the opportunities that lie ahead for software engineers. Software engineering is a field that is full of opportunities. As technology continues to evolve, software engineers will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future. One of the biggest opportunities in software engineering is the ability to work on cutting-edge technologies. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, there are many exciting new technologies that software engineers can work on. Another opportunity is the ability to work on projects that have a real impact on people's lives. Whether it's developing software for healthcare or education, software engineers have the ability to make a difference in the world. Software engineering is also a field that offers a lot of flexibility. With the rise of remote work and freelance opportunities, software engineers can work from anywhere in the world and have more control over their schedules. Finally, software engineering is a field that offers a lot of room for growth and advancement. With the right skills and experience, software engineers can move into leadership roles and have a major impact on the direction of their organizations. In conclusion, software engineering is a field that is full of challenges and opportunities. As technology continues to evolve, software engineers will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future. Thank you for watching. In this video, we've explored the challenges and opportunities facing software engineers today. We've seen how software engineering has evolved over the years, and we've looked at some of the key challenges facing software engineers, including keeping up with technological change, ensuring software quality, and maintaining security. But we've also seen that software engineering is a field that is full of opportunities. From working on cutting-edge technologies to making a real impact on people's lives, software engineers have the ability to shape the future. If you're interested in pursuing a career in software engineering, there are many resources available to help you get started. From online courses to coding boot camps, there are many ways to learn the skills you need to succeed. In conclusion, software engineering is a field that is constantly evolving, and it offers many challenges and opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, there's never been a better time to be a software engineer. Thank you for watching.